This projector is built for environments where clarity, reliability, and ease of use are essential. The Epson PowerLite X49 3 LCD XGA projector combines bright visuals, consistent color, and practical design to create a dependable projection solution for classrooms, offices, and small meeting spaces. Starting with its design, this projector is compact and practical, measuring 3.4 inches in height, 11.6 inches in width, and 10.2 inches in depth. It's light enough to move around if needed, and small enough to fit on a desk, cart, or ceiling mount without drawing attention. Its understated aesthetic focuses entirely on functionality. No unnecessary frills, just a projector that works. The image quality is powered by Epson's 3 LCD technology, which produces vivid, true-to-life colors and eliminates the rainbow effect common in some single-chip projectors. With a brightness of 3,600 lumens, the X49 maintains visibility even in brightly lit rooms, ensuring presentations, charts, and educational content remain clear and easy to read. The XGA resolution of 1024 x 768 is designed for practicality. While it's not high definition, it's perfect for slides, documents, graphs, and text-based presentations. Every detail remains sharp and legible, which is particularly important in educational or professional settings. The combination of resolution and color accuracy makes it a reliable workhorse for daily use. Connectivity is simple and versatile. The projector includes an HDMI port for modern laptops, media devices, and streaming sticks, along with VGA and USB ports for older systems. This ensures compatibility with virtually any device you need to connect. Setup is straightforward, letting users get their content displayed quickly without fuss. Keystone correction is another convenient feature that automatically adjusts the image to form a perfect rectangle, even when the projector is placed at an angle. This saves time and ensures a professional, distortion-free projection without having to manually reposition the projector. The Epson PowerLite X49 is designed for long-term reliability. Its lamp lasts up to 12,000 hours in eco mode, reducing maintenance costs and making it an economical choice for daily use. Epson's engineering ensures durability and consistent performance over years of operation. Audio is handled by a built-in speaker capable of producing sound loud enough for classrooms or small offices. While not a substitute for a dedicated audio system, it provides adequate volume for presentations without requiring additional speakers. One of the less obvious benefits is how quietly it operates. The cooling system and fan noise are kept to a minimum, which allows the focus to remain on the presentation rather than background distractions. This makes it particularly well-suited to educational settings where quiet environments are important. The combination of reliable brightness, accurate colors, flexible connectivity, and long lamp life makes the Epson PowerLite X49 a projector that is both practical and efficient. It doesn't rely on gimmicks. It focuses on delivering what matters: a clear, dependable image every time. Whether it's a classroom lecture, a business presentation, or a small seminar, this projector handles it all with minimal setup and maximum efficiency. Overall, the Epson PowerLite X49 offers a complete package for anyone who needs a projector that works day in and day out. Its combination of bright, accurate visuals, versatile input options, and quiet, reliable operation makes it one of the best choices for schools, offices, and professional settings. For those looking to upgrade their projection setup, the Epson PowerLite X49 3 LCD XGA projector is available now. A purchase link is included in the description below.